Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Surface for analyzing the major pairs, currency pairs, commodities as well as US 30. So before we get into this week analysis using Elliott waves, this is my disclaimer. This channel was started for an educational purpose only, not for financial investment, and read carefully the rest of others. And I'm not asking any investment, so be cautious and beware of the fraudsters. I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explaining here. So this is our watch list. Regularly what we are doing each and every week. So before starts from the DXY. So DXY as I expected, and I showing you the last week analysis. Last week I said it's already broken the low of this. So whether this could be an third of y or x or 4. So we need one more a, b, c. So it can shoot from here itself. So that could be a fifth wave. So exactly it did the same. Or if it is a complex correction, it can make a one more low. So that this will could be an expanded flat. And then one more means that could be a 4 or x. So from here it has to shoot, but from here also there is a lot of chances, as I said. So it's already did that job, and now I'm expecting whether this is the end of the the fifth wave here, and it is we are exactly at 1.272. So that is an irregular flat formation. Also it could in the fourth wave. So that is why I have last week also I said. So from here it can shoot, it could make a running flat, or if it breaks this, that is also an expanded flat. So this week I'm expecting this has to come down to 91.8. So still here from 100 points is there, or it could do like this, one more high. So it could be a five-way structure here if it did like this, and then another three-way structure. After that one more high is also possible. So in that case, this how we did here, a, b and c. So this could be after if it did a five-way structure here and then three-way structure, after that one more five-way structures to the upside, for that fifth way is also possible. And if you kept this the fib expansion level, so it did nearly above the 1. So the same here, if we kept this here, nearly it has to be in the zone I'm expecting. So the same length of the third wave or the wave 1, so whatever it is. So I'm looking for either this could be a five-way structure and then one more three-way structure is possible, or from here it can come to the downside for the fourth wave in the formation of irregular flat, and then again one more ABC is also possible. So any condition I'm looking for the three-way pullback from here, whether it could make a one more high for 93 and then the three-way structure. So that is also possible, or from here itself it can make a one more low like this, the three-way structure, and then again it can shoot for the fifth way. Or this could be if it is a simple correction, it's already ended, means this 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this whole thing is completed in the formation of the leading diagonal. So if it in that case, this is the third view, alternative possibility view, one more A, B and C, that could be a bigger. So in the leading diagonal formation we won't get the deeper correction, it could be around 38.2 retracement. So in that case 9150 is a achievable target in the downside. After once it completed that correction for this leading diagonal, I am expecting a bigger wave, and it will shoot, keep on shooting. And my target, you know very well if you are following me in past 1 year, it has to reach that 103.82. so first it has to break this one 103, and after that whether it is going to break this high or not, we can see later onwards. So as of now I'm looking to break this 102.103. So it has to reach this zone. So that is my view. So that same view, there is nothing change here, whether this could be a double A or W X. So it didn't break the low, so that could be an chances for that expanding triangle what I said. So in that case it could be a, here is the A, so B is an expanding triangle, and we need a C to break this high. So that is my view. So let's move on to Euro USD. So this is also I expected from here itself to make an irregular flat, but it didn't happen, it came down. But still that is also valid because it didn't break the high, and here also. So what I'm thinking here is whether this is the end of the fourth, means 1 2 3 4, how we label the dxy like that. It could be end of the fifth, means we need to the three-way structures nearly to 1.21. So around the 200 pips I'm expecting a three-way structure. So if it is a leading diagonal, or if the fourth wave is still ahead also, it could make here also the three-way structure or a five-way structure if it is a C wave, because I marked it this as a or W, B or X. So if it is a Y wave, we will get the three-way structures, or if it is an A B, means we will get the five-way structures, and it will look like a V reversal, and then again it can fell for that another three-way structures to complete that structure. So here W X Y, so we are in that X Y is already completed. So here also that y z also completed. So we will see a bigger three-way structure like this, and then again the bigger fall is ahead. Otherwise if it is the fourth way, means, and then one more way to the downside. So here I am expecting this zone 1.68. Otherwise it can be the previous support zone, so it can come to like within this zone. So this is what my view for this week. So a little bit pullback I'm expecting, and the same thing in GBP USD. And last week I said whether this could be in a triangle also. So I expected from here one more ABC 3. After the third way completed, this could be a B C D E, and then it can fell down. Otherwise if it is a B way triangle, it can should go this is the A B C D E, and if it is a B way triangle, it can go above the high of 1.4 also. So in that case it has to come down, but here it did a little bit something. So whether I will show you here in the screenshot. Whether this is a triangle, whether this is a triangle. So this is the A, this is the B and C. So but C is not that much satisfaction for me. But 1 2 3 4 and 5, so this also here possible. And one more, how I kept this as a W. If we kept this as a B, C. If we kept this as a W, this could be a E is very small, A, B, C, D, E. So this could be an W, X. So this is the A. So here is a B, and C. It's a B. So one more downside. My expectation is 1.3. So that is also possible. Or else, if we kept this as a W, the whole thing become a complex correction or in the irregular flat. So it will do like this and then again fall. So this is also a valid, but I'm only looking for the downside. That is, I'm sure about this. So in GBP USD, I'm looking this kind of way, and I have already um, shared my view. From here, it has chances for the 1.4 level for the irregular flat formation. See, and this view I have expecting only for the trade setup. So don't be in buy side, and I have explained several times. If the trend is in downside, looking only for that pullback, get an opportunity for that, took the opportunity as a sell trade setup, convert that into a dollar. So don't look for the buy trade setup. I'm expecting if you will lose the money. So while I'm expecting that this zone, it could reach in any formation. So once you took the trade as per this trade plan, if you are in the short side, please book the profit in each and every support partially. And if it did like this, what you book the partially, you can add here and wait for the target. So these are all that I'm explaining. So we can't predict 100% sure, but sometimes it will happen how it did in the AJ. So like that, in that market, we can predict lot of and possibilities we can do. And for this, uh, what it already did, the post market, we can do lot of wave counts. It's everything. It's valid from here itself. I keep on saying, right? Each and every time there is no sell trade setup found. It will keep shooting and it can reach above the 1.42. It's exactly did the same thing. So whether the target is it is in the side, if it is achieving means it can be in any formation. Sometimes we can predict and we can understand the structure, and sometimes we can't, like this here. This could be this triangle. I expect a little bit deeper triangle, but it happens that smaller triangle also. This could is also valid. So lot of formation will do, and we have to be in that trend side. That's it. So what here I did, whether this is an 1A, B, and C is completed. Now what I'm expecting, lot of possibilities. From here it can come to the downside, or from here it could make a complex correction and then it can come to the downside, or it can do, one second, I will change this color. It can do like this kind of bigger structure and then it can come down. So I'm looking only for the little bit downside for the target of 1.35. So you have to be in that market side, what I'm trying to say, and you have to understand what I'm trying to say. So don't be in that uh, buy trading in that sell setups. So this the market is in that downtrend. So try to catch the sell trade setup only. You have to look only for that sell trade setups, not in that pullback. Expecting the pullback, don't be in to catch that buy trade setups for the pullback. It could be a weaker pullback and then again it can come down also. So for example, I will show you that New Zealand CAD also, whether it is coming. I will explain that. So let's move to the Australian dollar. See how I looked here. It could be a complex correction, right? It's a W, X, A, B, C, and it could be Y, and this is a A or B or 1 or 2, and then again it comes to the downside. So I'm looking only for the downside. So that means you have to be in the sell side only, not to be in the buy side from here. Only I'm looking for, if it is comes to this zone, I will be in the sell side. So this is exactly it. Now it took the channel as a support now, and it's in the daily also it looks like a doji candle, and it looks like a bullish, and we already did that same. It's a perfect doji and that bullish. So now I'm expecting a three-way structure. So whether it is making a three-way structure, it's already did the three-way structure. So A, B, C is A, B, C is a B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a C. So here one simple correction is ended, and I'm looking only for downtrend. So I'm looking only for that three-way structures around again 7, 8, or it could be a simple structure, it could be a 7, 7, and then again to the downside. I'm looking only for the downside. So here when the simple structures got ended, it could be converted into, see, this is a B, C is a B, C is a B, and C. So C is either contains of 5 ways, and it's already dead, but this 5 ways could be a one wave 1 also, and after the three-way structure that could be a 2, and the bigger fall it yet to come, that could be a 3, 4, and 5. So the whole structure will become a bigger flat correction. So for example, I will show you in the screenshot to try to understand that. Here A, B, C, and another A, B, C. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is completed. So whether this is a W or 1, this could be a W or it could be a 1. So if it is a W means it could make another X wave, and then another A, B, and C. So this becomes a Y. So this is also a possible. Or what else the next? I will remove this. We marked it this as a A, this as a, this as a B. What we thinking is the 5-way structure is got completed, so we marked it as a W. But in that C wave, this could be the intermediate wave 1. So after that one 3-way structure, that could be a 2, and the third wave will be a bigger wave, and fourth wave and fifth wave. So then this will become second, this is the third, this could be the fourth, and this could be the W. So this could be like this also. We never know until what kind of pullback it's doing, but the market it is in downtrend. So like this can happen. What we thinking here, it is a, if we stick to this ABC is a ABC is a BC. So what we thinking is the W1 simple correction is got completed, and we are looking for here, once here it's a completed one ABC. What we are looking here is another, it's a complex correction, so we are looking only for this 7850, but it already broken this and it came aggressively to the downside. We may miss the trade, and then you will change the wave count. A, B, C is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So before that it happening, we need to look for all the possibilities, and we need to think a lot of possibilities what it can do. Like that, then only you have to prepare for your trade plans, execute here 25% or 30% of your capital, and another 25. If it comes here, another 25 you can add. Otherwise, if it break this low, you can add here itself. And that time what it will do, if you add it here once, it could make a one more irregular flat, and then again fall. So this could be an X, this is a W, this is a X, and then again. So lot of possibilities it's ahead, but only the downtrend. So like this we have to make a plan, and then only you have to execute. Don't follow blindly. And here also it's looking like a five-way structure in that 1 hour after the doji in daily. So it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So after that we are looking for the three-way structure, and we are looking for this kind of wave structure. But this is also can happen. But one more thing here is we need to look for whether this wave is completed or the structure is not yet completed. So whether, why I'm marking this as especially whether the structure is completed or not, because this is a five-way structure here, whether this is a fresh five-way structure or this could be an irregular flat formation here for the wafer, and you are looking for the three-way structures, and if you buy here it will do like this. And what you did, this is a wave 1, so wave 2 cannot overlap the wave 1 low, so you have to make a stop loss here and it will hit the stop. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after that it will do like this. What you expected here it will do here. So try to understand the wave, Elliott waves, and what are the possibilities. Don't stick to your wave count. This is a chess game, as I said, from the past 1.5 years. You are following me. The market is the opponent. It will keep you checkmate you. So you have to survive. You need to move the coins according to that price action. So that is the market movement. So this is my view for this week. So whether this is a fresh five ways or it is an irregular flat formation for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if it did that five-way structure here, once again I will remove this and I will explain here. So now this is invalid now. So this is the one wave A or 1, this is a 2. So if it did one more low, right, this become the five-way structure. So this is the wave 1, 2. So this could be third also, and one more three-way structure for the fourth, and one more fifth wave. So everything it is making like a leading diagonal only. In DXY also I showed you, and Euro USD, and now it is in GBP USD also I showed. So it could be like this kind of wave formation also, or it could be a bigger. Actually, this is a A, this is a B and C. It could be anything. It could be a W, and then again the bigger expectation of that X wave, and again one more ABC. So this is a ABC as a 1 and ABC as a 2. If it is a bigger leading diagonal, means like that it can happen. So a lot of possibilities is there. Trade according to that. And New Zealand dollar here is clearly shown, right? ABC is a W, this is a X. So whether this is a five-way structure is a A, so I'm looking for that the B wave to complete, or if it is in the 1, 2, 3 only, so it can do the fourth wave from here, and this is the end of the fifth wave. So this is the whole thing becomes A. After that one more three-way structure. After that the A, B and C, so that could be a Y. So this could be a channel. Clone this, keep this in the here where it ended. So you have to trade according to this kind of plans. You have to pre-plan everything. So as of now, one A, B, C is a W, X. So I'm looking for the five-way structure, whether the five-way structure is already completed or we are in the fourth way of irregular flat formation, and one more five-way is also one more low it can do. After that, this is a A and B at C, or this could be a and we are looking for the B bigger correction also, and then again it can make a C also. Here why I make it as a ABC is a A, ABC is a B, so C means this is already A, B, C, so this could be a W only, it's a zigzag correction, so this is a connecting wave. So after the 5, 3, 5, this is a W, this is a connecting wave, and another 5-way structure, so this is making a double zigzag. So again one more 3-way structures, like this kind of 3-way structure I am expecting here. After that it be a fall. For that W, X, A, B, C, and the whole thing becomes a double zigzag. So let's move on to USD JPY. So USD JPY, I said the one wave is ahead, that is a guaranteed one. So after that only it's a question mark, right? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so this is the wave 1, this is a wave 2, this is a wave 3, and if the wave 4 I expected the triangle, but it could be a triangle or it could be an irregular flat formation also, and the fourth wave is ended and one more wave to the upper side is already completed. So if this whole thing becomes a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, so 2 here, 3, 4, and 5 means here the bigger A, sorry, 1 is bigger, 2, 3 is slightly bigger than the wave 1, and 4 and 5 is very small. So we need at least one more 5-way structure to complete the 5th wave also. So now I'm expecting a little bit downside. So if it is a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so this is a one um, pattern I'm expecting. How we made that this kind of a 5-way structure here, it could make a here also the 5-way structure in the 5th wave. So that is the one possibility. So what are the another possibilities here? One second, I will delete. So it did that 5-way structure. If the wave 1 is here, this is the wave 2. So what I'm looking here is this is the intermediate wave 1 of 3rd wave. So in that category, it is perfectly valid for that 3rd wave, exactly at what 1618. So here is the wave 1, and here the wave 2 is in running flat. So after the 3rd, 4th, and then 5th means there is a lot of chances for the completion of the 3rd wave here. So in that case, once again, so this could be a 3rd. So we can yeah, this is the 3rd, means again the 4th wave for the bigger, we can expect a little bit complex corrections in the 4th wave, and it has to reach again this 4th wave, and one more 5th wave is also possible. I'm expecting it has to break this 111.75. So whether within this wave it is going to break the 111.75, if it the 3-way structure as did for the bigger 4th, and 5th way is already, sorry, if it going to break this means, so that is the completion of A, B, and C. But within this, if it didn't break the 111.75 and it did the 5-way structure, so that is a bigger correction. It's a the target is going to be a very high. How means, if, one second, I will remove all these drawings. Otherwise, do one thing, I will hide this drawing, make a screenshot. Yes, see, this is the wave 1, wave 2. This is another wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, 4 and 5. So this is the 1, this is the 2, this is the third, and I'm expecting the fourth wave and fifth wave. So this is the example. If this wave is a three-way structure for the fourth wave and the fifth wave, right? So if it happened like this and it didn't break the high, for example, if it didn't break the high means we kept this as a A. So this whole thing is a B. So C contains a five-way structure if it rejected within this 111.75. So this is the wave C of 1. So this is the bigger one. So after the bigger 2, after the three-way structure of bigger 2, we are expecting the target for the this wave is bigger than 118 also and above. So if it didn't break the high of 111.75 and the structure is completed means the target is so big, means I'll show you in that daily. Hide this. So this is a what we kept this as a, this is a B. So C is completed wave 1. After the wave 2, wave 3 is bigger, so it can go above the 118 and the fourth and fifth. So here the target is so big, but if it wave 1 or wave C, it's completed above the 111.75, so it completes the structure means here I marked it this as a Y, right? After this A, B, C and the downtrend channel is also already broken. Here it's already broken. After that, if this could be an X wave, so for the wave Z is also possible. It's a possible only. What I'm trying to say is possible. Or else it could make a same five-way structure also. But if it get rejected means that is a guaranteed one. It has to reach the 112. Sorry, 122 like that it can reach. So let's see how it is going to happen. So we can see the USD CAD. So USD CAD, it's already it's in a bullish trend because I took it this as an it's a little bit I have explained here. It's a B C W. A B C is a W, X A B and C is completed here. So that is a Y. So whether the Z way is also be there means it can go below that 1.22 also. So for that we are in the X wave like this kind of connecting wave. Whether it is going to make this kind of connecting wave or this is the end of that Y wave in WXY formation, and it we can see that 1.38 also in coming days, or it could reject it for the X and one more way to the Z is also possible. So in that case crude can be a one more high, so that will become a five-way completed structure. At that time here also that Z way is completed. So if it moves below this 1.22, so that is also not yet broken this low. If it is not yet broken this low, so there is a lot of chances for making what I said, this is a triangle also, but this is the end of the Z way then. Or if it breaks this, that is a simple flat correction is ended. A B C is A B C is a B, so this becomes a W or X, and this is a, this is a B and C is, I will show you here. here if we, once again, yeah, if this is an A, B, C is A, B, C is a B, so this, the C could be a diagonal formation also. So A, B, C is a 1, A, B, C is a 2, A, B, C is a 3, so A, B, C is a 4, and A, B, C is a 5. So that is why I have mentioned that as a W, X, Y, X, Z. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it could break this low also. In that case, the bigger correction is already ended. Then I'm looking only for that bullish scenario to break this 1.46 zone. So this is my positional view. Otherwise, if it didn't break from here also, it can go above this 1.42 also. That could be a bigger triangle also. The triangle could be in X wave, or it could be a, because I am kept this as a Y. So if this is a Y, means the Y can be a flat correction. What I said in the 5S structure, if it goes below this, or if it is a triangle, means this is a Y. So X could be a triangle, and then it's a bigger upward S movement is also possible. But if it is this as a W, so this triangle could be in X also, and then afterwards one more three-way structures to the downside is also possible. So then this could be like this, the range bound market. How that Euro GBP, I think so. Let's I will explain you here. This kind of corrections can happen. So how long? Nearly from 2016. Still it is in that range bound market. So like this, it can happen in that USD CAD. So let's move on to USD CHF. So USD CHF also same. It's already uh, broken the high. So whether 1 or this is the 2 in the irregular flat formation of running flat. So 3, 4, and 5 is already completed, or one more way to the upper side is also possible, and after that the three-way structure, or else this is a bigger one, bigger to how I explained in the USD JPY. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So one more three-way structure. So from here itself, it can again shoot for that bigger fifth wave. So this is the whole complete of the 5 structures, 5-way structures, and then again as usual that second wave, after that the third, fourth, fifth. So it can be in a bullish side only to break this high of 1.034, this one. Otherwise, if it is a triangle also, this is the A, this is the B, so C could reach up to 1.1 or 1.0. It's not 1.1, it's a 1.0. So again it could be a three-way structures like that. So the whole thing become a triangle also. Here it could be like this also, triangle. So A, B, C, D, E, and then it can fell to break this low. And you know very well about, and I have already shared that USD in the weekly. So A, B, 1, 2, 3, and we are in that fourth wave. So whether it is making a triangle or it is going to break this as a flat correction, and then again one more low to break this low is also ahead in the for the fifth wave. So what is next? We can move it for AUD JPY. USD JPY, yeah, AUD JPY, right? So here also I explained perfectly in that last week video. So W, X, A, B, and C is completed. So that we are already marked it as a Y wave. And I explained this is a strong bearish. So if it did one more high So we can expect a irregular flat formation for the X, and this will took a support the channel, and this is the previous support. So that this is the top of the channel. It can retested this exactly did, and we bounced, and I am in that buy zone from the 88.50. From here I am in the buy. Make a stop loss, and I have placed this, and I want to trade a lot of cross currencies, but as per this plan it came. So what I did is making a stop loss of this as a low, and I entered at 82.50. So for it's at 130 pips is there. So I'm looking only for that five-way structure. So 1 2, so we are in the third way. So what it will do, I'm expecting if it did like this, the five-way structure, so this become A. After that the B way has to come, three-way structure. Here I won't add, because I need to add only if we cross the five-way structure. Otherwise if it cross this one, making stop loss as this, if it goes above this we need to add, and one more, if it crosses above this you may add or you may not. So it could be a bullish A, B and C. So one more wave to the upper side above 87 is possible. So nearly to that 90 is also possible, because this is a W, X, ABC is a Y. So one more three-way structure is already dead. So another A, B, C. But in this also, whether this is going to be a or in that A this will become a five-way structure, means I will show you. If we did that 1 2 3, we keep this as a, this as a B, C, this could be the end of Z also, or what it the next is, he did the five-way structure. So this could be a, after that B, and one more C is also there. So this only reach that 90 and above. So look at this, 1 2 3 4 5, the five-way structure we call it as a. After that B, and one more 1 2 3 4 5 as a C. So here A B C is a X. So after that the three-way structure in the running flat as a X. So 1 2 3 4 5 is a, B and C. So that is also possible, or this could be a B, C. How in the New Zealand dollar happened, I will show you here. I explained here, you understand that W here, W X A B C as a Y X, and from here itself I explained that beautifully. I know very well about that. This could be a 1 2 3 4 5, means that could be a. After the B and C it can reach above that 7 7 also I said, and it could be a B and C, means this could be the end of Z and it can come to the downside, and it's already did the same. So this kind of structure can happen in AUD JPY. So once the five-way structure and the three-way structures and another five-way structure, means you need to book the profit and make a stop loss at the valid zone, because any time it can be like Australian dollar, right? It can come down like this, it can come down. So make sure that, and we will move on to the CAD JPY. A CAD JPY also same. If we stick this A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm expecting this kind of wave correction, right? X, and again one more Z way is also possible. But if we keep this as a triangle, and I have explained a lot of times, but need to do, because if it's a newcomer, listening to my analysis, then they wouldn't be a understandable, right? So this could be a x 1 2 3 4 5. So this could be a. After that, it's little bit smaller structure in the B. So whether it is making here or it can be like a smaller also, and then it can shoot from here also. So this could be anything. This could be a B, C, or this what I said from here. It's a X. So this is the 5-way structure. So if this is the B wave, 1 2 3 4 5 C, and we may get this kind of correction also. So trading here, I won't suggest here to trade this pair. From starting itself, it's a lot of confusion, right? So that is why I didn't trade that lot of cross currencies. So let's see how it moves in this week. So this is my trade plan. It could be, see, we can count it, anything is valid means no need to trade in that. If you look for that another, and it will do one more thing, and there is a lot of possibilities say here to extend, or it can fell down from here. So better to watch, and then you can enter in this trade. So New Zealand CAD is a perfect example. From here I said, right, I'm expecting from here 1 2 3 4 5. So I expected one more 3-way structure. So that could be 1 2 3 4 5. So the whole thing becomes a B, and I'm looking for this kind of trade plan. I'm not in that trade, you know very well. I'm expecting to this to enter here, but what happened? So the 2 is very small. I think I didn't know whether what kind of structure is going to happen, whether this is a B or C, and this is the W. So if you enter here, it could make like this. If you didn't enter, it can continue like this and reach the 5-way structure. What I'm expecting here is a little bit bigger structure. It could be very small the retracement of wave 1 2 3 4 5. So that is also valid, and the bigger correction will start like this kind of bigger correction, and then again see. So but this uh, wouldn't be a, sorry, so again I'm looking for something to draw. Okay, so we are looking for this as a little bit complicated. It did very simple, and here we are looking for the simple, and it could make a complex correction in the B wave, and then again one more C wave to break this low. So for the target of 1000 from here 93, it's already 1300 pips. We already achieved 450 pips here. So 300 and this 130. So 430, 450 pips, it's already achieved. 1/3 of profit. So I just watching this and looking for this to enter in this trade. Let's see how it moves, because sometimes if the JPY is weaker than the CAD, and one more possibility is also there, I will explain here. I took it this as a W, X, A, B and C. So this whole thing is a or W, is a B or X. So I'm looking for to this kind of downtrend, right? But if this is the end of the trend in the correction, see, we can label it as, and that is also valid. If this is an A, B, C is a W, so this could be a X. Again, this could be an Y, X, Z also. So we can label it as anything. But what are the possibilities here? So whether if it is the fresh low, this low is that and this that impulsive wave is a fresh impulsive wave or three-way structure. Here also it looks like a three-way structure, right? So W, we make it as a X, so Y, X, Z. So this is a five-way structure. After the three-way structure, one more five-way structure is can go above the high. But whether you are looking for that this kind of, it has to break that 8015, you are looking for the bigger correction, and it will do the bigger correction, and it will do like this. So here we need to watch the wave formation, how it is going to happen. Then only we need to enter the trade, not blindly. Because if the JPY is weaker than anything, all the currency pairs, it's a very weaker means CAD is little bit stronger, because I'm expecting that CAD also, if it goes to the downside of 1.2, and crude also, if it is going for making a one more high of 70 and above, this CAD JPY can shoot from here itself. Sorry, the New Zealand CAD can go get strength, means it can go this level, or if the new CAD what I expected to 1.42, and the crude is going to for the $30 or $35 or $40, then CAD will lose the strength and the New Zealand will go above the high. So these are a lot of uh, correlations, a lot of possibilities there according to the global newses. So, and I won't follow the fundamental newses, but that only boost your analysis to reach the target, or it can be a hit the stop loss also. You are expecting one and it will do one more. And here also the monthly, it's a very bearish. So I'm thinking like it can reach this low, but this is the FX market, what I said, it can do anything. So it's already did, if it is a 1 2 3 is an expanded flat, so it can be a one more way to break this 8015 also. So what else is Euro New Zealand? So Euro New Zealand, it is in a three-way structure here. So now whether this is A, B, C is completed. So one three-way structure is completed. I'm expecting another three-way structure. So whether it is going to make like this kind of wave formation for the connecting wave. So I'm expecting at least 715 if it is a continuation to the downtrend, or else this is a three-way structure, and if you are looking for the another bigger three-way structure, means it can reach 1.82 also. But my positional view is, and I have explained that Euro New Zealand here, I'll show you. This is the impulsive wave, right? And these are all the correction waves. So we make it this as a green. If this is the impulsive wave, so this whether 1 2 3 4 5, so if this is a triangle, it's A B C D E. So if this is a triangle and this is the valid one to complete, and it's already broken the high and we are on the downtrend. Okay, this is the one possibility in the positional. But if this is an irregular flat formation, this is a W or A, this is a W or A. This we can make it as a blue. See, D. If A, B, C, D, E, so this is a triangle, and this is the A, B, and C, right? See that I'm explaining only in the positional wave. So if you do the intermediate, this could be W, X, Y, Z, like that it can go. So after that correction, we are in this irregular flat formation. Here we need to make it this as a red. So if the same thing happen here, you'll just look at this, the same structure here and here. One more high, one more high, and one more down. It's a one more down. The same thing happened here. After that, and I'm expecting if this is an irregular flat formation, so we kept this as a A. So this could be a B. I am looking for that C wave to shoot. From here, it has to shoot. So A, B, and C. So lot of possibilities also it's here. So right now I'm expecting only for that 1.79 to 1.8. So we have to watch for that. So whether it is in three-way structure is completed, or this is a ABC is a ABC is a B. So C could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5-way structure. So it can continue one more low also here, and then it can shoot from here. So a lot of possibilities also found, but I am looking for perfectly to this 1.79. I think it's achievable target, because here I found the 5-way structure is got completed. Because if it I took it this as a B, C is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So in rare case, one second, I'll show you in that. In the rare case, I previous explained, if it didn't break the high of this channel and it's already broken, there is a lot of chances for making one more wave. To the downside is also possible, as I said, but it's already broken the channel. So in this kind, what I'm saying, it won't be, this could be a 4, but sometimes it could be like that also, in that way, expanding this kind of pattern. In this it can overlapping the wave 1 also, because here we did as a 1, 2, 3 is a ABC is a 1, ABC is as 2, ABC as a WXY formation of third, ABC is a 4, one more ABC is a 5, so that is also valid. But I'm looking only for that, if it reach here also, I'm looking for the down upper trend to reach the 1.8, or it could above that 2, above the 2. So a lot of possibilities, just we have to watch this here, how it making the wave formation in this zone. So next we will move on to US 30. See US 30 also I'm expecting the 4th wave, but it is not happening here, and perfectly did that correction here. It's a W. One second. Here it's a W, A, B, C. Here is a W. Here is a X. Here is a A. here is a B and C, it's a completed. So one corrections got completed and it is a bullish. So whether it is going to make a one more high like this, so then this will become 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But same thing, there is a one more possibilities is there. It can go above this and then again it may fall. So after that, that will become 4 and 5. So this could be like this also. Third, I'm expecting the little bit bigger 4. So it could be this kind of 4 also, or this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 intermediate wave 4, and it's already, if it is broke this high, so that is also valid for the fifth wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So one completion of the 5 sets, I'm expecting at least the 3-way structures to 32, 173. So let's see, but because I'm not sure about this wave count here as of now, here I'm not so convenience in this wave count here what it is happening. So I'm not able to count. If anything uh, there, I will share my view in my pages of FB or in trading view. So this is my view. So expecting one more wave, so that could be a 5-way structure and again the 3-way structure. So that could be a 3-way structures, be a little bit complex corrections also. So let's move on to US oil. So US oil also, as per now, it's confirmed the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is completed. So whether from the low to the high here it did as a wave 1 or A. So this 3-way structure in the WXY combination is a B or 2, and we completed the C or third. So if it is a bigger complex correction, whether it is ABC means another one more ABC, it will come nearly to the 30 zone. Otherwise, if it is a 5-way structure means the fourth way could be make anything as a triangle or irregular flat formation, and then again it can continue for that. We can draw a channel here. So we didn't know whether when where it could end. So just as of now, you place a channel in that second wave. So within this, it could retrace, and if it breaks below this channel, so that will become considered as a bearish thing. So that is A, B and C. So until if it breaks this channel, that considered as a 5-way structure is ahead. So careful about the crude. And here also in the wave 1 hour chart, it looks like here it's a 1 in the wedge formation. So 2. So here also 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is got completed, and these are looking like impulsive. So one more way to the downside, if it is possible means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So after the 5-way structure, we are expecting a one more 3-way structure. If it make a one more new low means that will become a 5-way structure. After that, the 3-way structure, and again one more 5-way structure is also possible. Or else if it didn't make a one more new low, it bounced from here itself and did a 3-way structure, and again one more structures to the upper side means that could be a chances for making a triangle, or it could be a bigger flat correction also. it can fell to this zone. So that will become a fourth wave, and again one more wave to the upper side is also possible. So here also no need to trade, only if it did that 5-way structure, no need to buy for the 3-way structure, wait for that confirmation. If it is making a 3-way structure, took the trade in this zone, for the sell to break the low. If it happened like this, try to only put a sell order in this zone for the target of below this, because if we expecting after the 5-way structure we are expecting 3-way structure, it could do like this also. So in that case what you will do, this is a 1 2, the whole thing becomes 3, and one more wave 4 and 5. So the whole thing becomes a 1 2 3 4 5, and again a bigger fourth and one more 5. So this whole thing becomes a 5-way structure then. So it is not that much easy to trade all the waves. So whether we are looking only for the sell trade setup, according to that you have to look only for the sell trade setups only at the valid point. You have to keep a stop loss, because I'm expecting if it is a fourth wave, we are expecting the fifth wave to the upper side. So you need to place the stop loss at the valid. And if you place the stop loss here also, it could hit your stop loss in the irregular flat formation, and then again it can come down and again it will took off. So it is not that much easy to trade the pairs of, example for gold, whatever it is. The trading is a very tough, but investing is very easy. So let's move on to the gold. So gold is also, see, it's a very messy and overlapping, right? From past week, from 21 to 27, as of 26, it didn't move anything. It's still in the consolidation zone, and here it's in one simple that impulsive move. So we are in that correction only so far. So if it did like this and it didn't break the high, make it this as a stop loss, try for that target for 1700. But sometimes it can go below this also. If this is the end of the 1, this is the 2, so third way, fourth way and fifth way, to make the target of my target is 1650 to reach. It can reach like that. So there is nothing changed in this view, whether it is going to make a one more low for the 5-way structure, or if this is the X, this is the A, this is the B, and C is already completed, means this could be the Y. So for that continuation of the round and for the Z wave, this Y could be around 1800. It can reach easily 1800 also if it didn't break the low. And if it break the high, there is a lot of chances for making a little bit complex correction for that connecting wave X, and then one more wave for the bigger 3-way structure like this to complete that Z wave. So silver also lot of possibilities here, right? What I mark this as a B and C, so I mark this as a W X, so again A, so B and C, this is becomes a Y, and another X and Z. So it will continue like this. So what else next? A, B, C is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this become a leading diagonal. After that, one more 3-way structure is going to happen in 38.2 or 50 retracement, and then again it may fall. And we are expecting this. If you took the sell here, what it will happen? If this is the end of that A, so I mark this as A, B, C, W, X, it could make this, and you are expecting this. This is the completion, and it could do like this. Y, after the Y you are expecting the Z, and it could do more complex correction. So this could be Y, means this is the end of the completion of that W, bigger W, and X, one more ABC. So I'm only looking for the downtrend. As of that gold also, I said it has to reach my target of 1375 to 1400 is my target. So this, whether the gold has to reach to the 1375 to 1400, whether it has to going to break this 11600, or it is going to make an $19, that we have to wait and watch. Because in this category, in this scenario, whether this is an triangle, and then one more way to the upper side is a downside is also completed, means this is a new fresh 5 ways, means we are looking only for the 3-way structure, and then again it can shoot. So at that time we need to look for that gold where it is. If it reaches that 1400 and it is the silver is doing only the 18 and $19, we need to be in buy side. Don't need to place the stop loss, because I am looking only for that positional. It has to break this 49.5. That is my target in that positional way. So that we will see later onwards. As of now, for this week, I'm expecting a little bit correction, and it can bounce, or it can be like this kind of wedge formation, WXYZ, or it could be a leading diagonal of 1 2 3 4 5. So whatever it is, so I'm looking for nearly it is in support zone now. So here, yeah, it's a perfect doji. So expecting a little bit 3-way structure. It's 27. So at that time, UJ, we need to look for the UJ and gold. So perfect, and it's already crossover is going on in the daily. So let's see in the weekly. It's interesting, right? 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So 1 2 3 1 2 3. So here is a 1 2 3, or it is going to make a complex correction. Let's see. And one thing is, I need to show you the perfect example for the support and resistance only. That ZL, soybean oil. I have already sharing my views in the soybean oil for the long time, right? So this is my wave count. It's WX, WX, A, B, C, or you can make it this as an A, B, or C also. But here A, B, C as a W. This is a connecting wave X. This is a 5-way structure in the A, and B is an irregular flat formation. I expected perfectly it has to reach here. It did the same, and one of my group, I already one of my friend asked, I feel it will reach 58, but only sell is advised if reach there. No trade plan here to short or long. When it was trading at around 56 something. From here it is trading on that day. I am expecting the 58, and that day it's a shooter, the gap up perfectly. It made a 58.25, and I said I don't know whether he did or not, but I'm not trading now. In previous I was traded, and not now, and exactly did 58.25, and it is in downtrend, and it's already broken this anchor, the daily, and it is now in that lower low. So whenever it is going to make a 3-way structure, need to be in sell side. So here also I explained once again on that day itself. See, without the Elliott waves, how we are changing the trend formation, whether how it is, whether it is going to continue from here or it is going to turn, that we know, we didn't know whether if you are a support and resistance as a trader. But if you correlate this as in with the Elliott waves, right? With the Elliott waves, it helps where the trend is going to end. So that is why I will look here for the ZL. Look at this. This is the A, and here is a five-way structure, three-way structure, five-way structure. So this is the zigzag of W, and here it already broken the low at that corona time. So this is made a irregular flat formation in X. So we didn't know whether this ABC how far it will go. This is a perfect example. From here itself I'm expecting to the downside. From here itself I'm expecting to the downside. But it extended. See, in previous I took this as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It will happen only in that ending diagonal, and I have already shared that. I'm looking for it has to break this $27, 24. But what happened? It extended. So if it extended means, see, especially the commodities will keep on extended in the fifth way. So I divided this as a split into 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the ending diagonal becomes the leading diagonal of wave 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this becomes a 1, 2. So the whole thing 3, 4, and the fourth way also I expected the little bit deeper, but what it happened? It did a small fourth wave and it should, and the 5 waves is completed. And from here also what I expected, it can make a one more high also, because it's not looking like 1, 2, 3. So this could be a 4 and 5, but see what it happened. So now I'm looking, so this and what I'm explaining here and you have to learn means, with the help of that Elliott waves, if you are in like this kind of support and resistance while it is breaking, see is a perfect resistance, and it broken here, it's touched first and then it's a retesting, and again it broke, and it's exactly it went here, and again rejection. After that it broke the next resistance zone. See, the next resistance zone also it went high and again it retested, and the next resistance zone. So in this resistance zone, the perfect resistance and our Elliott wave count is also completing. And one more that I love, that Fib expansion level also. How I marked this is nearly the 58. How I did this? With the help of Fibonacci expansion, right? Perfectly the 2618. And the previous, because I didn't mention as a 59, because the previous is 58. So I marked this as a 58. Perfectly came. So these are all the educations what I'm trying to explain. And here also see W, X, A, B, and how long the far is C wave end. For example, from A and B is a triangle. How far the C? Almost 618 to 618. So these are all the correlations we need to do. It's not only the support and resistance. We come to know from here also the next resistance I expected to the downside in this resistance, and once it broken, it's straightly went away to this zone and again this zone. This is the maximum resistance level. If it, see, I'm not saying this wave count is valid. I'm not saying this wave count is valid. I'm just working on this for this wave count, whether this is a W, X, so A and B is an irregular flat formation, and C is looking to break this. But if it breaks the high, so that is that invalid. So that means W, X, A, B and C, it's ended here. But I'm not so sure about this for I'm looking one. I'm only working for this A, B, and C, and B as an expanded flat. So I'm looking for the C to break this low. But if it makes the high, this count is got invalid, and we need to change the wave. That is why I'm keep on saying. But from here to 58, whatever, what is it? 40, 52. It's almost $6, right? Within the 2 days. Within the 2 days. See, 57.5 and 52.5. Nearly $5. So I hope you enjoyed, and I have already, yeah, one thing is Bitcoin we need to do, right? Yeah, sorry. Bitcoin, as I said, we are in the bigger fourth wave. That's it. We are in the bigger fourth. So now one ABC is got over, another ABC is got over. So now we can be in a connecting wave. So another bigger A, B, C can happen. So whether this could make a triangle in the bigger fourth, or it could make a one more low for the expanded flat, or if it didn't break this and it is a bounce from this channel, from here also it can do, from here it can bounce. So this is the fourth and fifth way is ended nearly within the 70,000 I am expecting, whether it is making a triangle or it is an irregular flat formation of running or expanded. So one more wave is also possible in my view. But if it is anything else, if the global news comes, it's wrong for the Bitcoin, it's a bad news for Bitcoin, this could be the end of the 5 years also. And I have already explained that also. So in that category, the third, fourth, and fifth is also ended, means it will be in downtrend. So mind that is this all the references only. Don't stick to your wave count. You have to look only for that where we have to enter and where we have to exit. That will helps you where you are in the market, whether it is going to end. Be cautious for that. Book the profit, partial profit, and make a stop loss in the invalid zone. That's it. It's Elliott wave helps only for references to 70% only. It's not 100%, because it's according to theory is not, uh, it won't went wrong, because we will keep changing, right, for the valid. So theory won't be a wrong. So that is, it's a reference for reference only. It looks like a Google map. It will help you, that's it, to reach the destination for the reference, right? So I hope you enjoyed my analysis through, and you can learn lot of things you are learned from my analysis. So don't stick to my analysis also. It's all everything for learning purposes only, and I'm explaining how I'm trading this and what is my view for this week in this pair. So don't stick and don't do trading according to my analysis. So this is my disclaimer, you know very well. So have a nice weekend and have a nice profitable week. And coming week NFP is there on Friday. So be cautious, take your positions, uh, be and book the partial profit every time, whether the big news is occurring and you didn't know how to manage that, do that. So until then, it's a have a nice profitable coming week. Have a nice weekend too. Thanks a lot.